Our beans are starting to bubble up a little bit, so I'm going to cover them with a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And we can come back to our rice. The liquid has just begun to evaporate, so we're going to take our bean mixture, pour that straight in, and then we'll give it a stir. Alright, we're going to come back and preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And then we're going to take the bottom half of our pepper and we're going to cut down along these white ribs. And then we're simply going to quarter the bottom part of the pepper. And now we're going to take our red onion, we're going to cut off the top, and then we're going to go and just cut off some rings. We'll remove the outer layer as well as the very inner layer, and then we'll separate our red onion into rings.